Welcome. Today, we are diving into one of the most famous algorithms in quantum computing, Shor's algorithm. Discovered by Peter Shor in 1994, this mathematical breakthrough showed the world that quantum computers could theoretically solve problems that were previously thought to be impossible. To understand why this is a big deal, we first need to understand the factoring problem. In mathematics, it is very easy to take two prime numbers, like 3 and 5, and multiply them to get 15. However, if I gave you a massive number and asked you to find the two primes that created it, that is incredibly difficult. For small numbers, it is easy. For huge numbers, it is practically impossible for standard computers. Why should we care about factoring numbers? Because the security of the entire internet relies on it. RSA encryption, which protects your credit cards and passwords, is based on the assumption that factoring a 2048-bit number would take a classical supercomputer billions of years. This is where quantum computing enters the picture. A classical computer uses bits that are either 0 or 1. It has to check solutions one by one. A quantum computer uses qubits, which can exist in a state of superposition, representing 0 and 1 simultaneously. This allows it to process vast amounts of possibilities at once. In 1994, Peter Shor had a brilliant insight. He realized that the problem of factoring a number could be translated into a different type of problem, finding the period or the repeating pattern of a specific mathematical function. Quantum computers are exceptionally good at finding patterns. While a classical computer would get lost trying to find the repetition in a massive sequence of numbers, a quantum computer can use something called the quantum Fourier transform. This tool amplifies the correct answer, the period, and cancels out the wrong answers, revealing the hidden frequency almost instantly. So here is the simplified recipe for Shor's algorithm. Step 1. Convert the factoring problem into a period-finding problem. Step 2. Use quantum superposition to evaluate the function for all possible inputs at once. And Step 3. Use the quantum Fourier transform to extract the period, which then gives us the factors of the number. The difference in speed is staggering. On this graph, the pink line shows how long a classical computer takes as the number gets bigger. It shoots up exponentially to billions of years. The blue line is the quantum computer. It solves the same problem in a polynomial time, meaning it might take just a few hours. If Shor's algorithm can break our locks, what do? We change the locks. Scientists are already developing post-quantum cryptography. These are new encryption methods based on complex mathematical problems, like high-dimensional lattices, that even quantum computers cannot solve easily. To summarize, factoring large numbers protects our data today, but it is vulnerable. Shor's algorithm utilizes the unique properties of quantum physics to crack these numbers efficiently. While this poses a threat to RSA encryption, the world is already moving towards new, quantum-resistant security standards.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.